Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your user ID in Monopoly Go. So, in order to do this, first of all, open your mobile phone and navigate to your Monopoly Go application. After navigating to the application, you will see an interface that will look something like this. You'll be on your Monopoly Go's dashboard. Here, we have the option for wins, build, go, album and friends at the bottom. Now, the option that we have to choose is the three-lined icon at the top right corner of the screen. When you click on this icon, you will see an option saying Shop, Net Worth, My Showroom, Map, Board, Join Us, and Settings. You'll have to basically click on the settings icon at the bottom of this page. Now when you click on the settings icon, you will see mute options at the top, language option, notification, customer service, legal, and manage account. So our user ID is located just right here at the bottom of this page, just above manage account button. So your user ID is just right here. Simply copy this user ID by noting it somewhere, or when you click here, it says user ID copied to clipboard. So user ID will be copied to your clipboard when you click on this ID. Now you can go anywhere and paste this user ID anyhow you want, and that's the simple way to find your user ID in Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.